Hello everyone, it is me, Hayden, or Hey Films, or really whatever you want to call me, and today you're probably wondering why I'm outside when I spend most of my time inside. Well, first of all, it's snowing, and that's pretty cool because it doesn't snow too often, and also you're probably wondering why I'm wearing rain boots. That's also a very good question. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego car. So, yeah, here's my Lego car. It's a very nice Lego car. It looks like the spoiler on the end kind of broke off. But hey, it's a Lego car. So I'm going to be showing you how to build this Lego car right now. I am now back inside, and you can see that I'm ready to start off this Lego tutorial. You can see that the car has frostbite and that there's a giant rock monster right here that looks very scary. So I think you should because, this Lego car has frostbite now, and this rock monster seems very mad at you for not liking and subscribing. Oh no, he's attacking! Okay, I guess that Lego rock monster is gone, but you need to subscribe because he's probably coming to your house. And now I'm going to start the tutorial. So yeah, let's get into it.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. me sees. Oh, you meant the world to me.